ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਐਨ ਮੈਰੀ ਵਾਲਸ਼ ਨਾਲ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਜ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਹਨ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਚਲਾਏ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਦੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰੋਕਥਾਮ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਏ ਤੇ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਅੱਜ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। Welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, and when we talk about Canadian Cancer Society, and cancer is a word which is spreading like cancer. It's spreading very fast, and people are afraid to hear about this word. So, what is the? If you can let us know, how serious is this problem, and how awareness is being created by Canadian Cancer Society about it?
Yes, great. Thank you, Harpreet. The Canadian Cancer Society has been around now for 75 years, and I think our greatest strength is that we invest a great deal in prevention and cancer research, because we know that half of all cancers can be prevented through a healthy lifestyle and diet, and that's really important. And I think that if people were to spend a little more time thinking about their own personal history and go for regular screening, that would help save lives, and that's really important. The other big piece about the Canadian Cancer Society, of course, is that we like people to live well and make healthy choices. So some of the things that individuals can do is to choose not to smoke and limit the amount of time in the sun, or else wear protective head hats, long sleeve shirts, sunscreen, of course. And then to be aware, to look after yourself, report any changes in your health to your doctor, and go for regular screening.
Okay. And how are you trying to spread this message to the public? What means are adopted by Canadian Cancer Society?
We have a lot of programs and services that support the Canadian Cancer Society. We have a volunteer driver program, we have financial aid programs, and then we have prevention and health promotion messaging, as well as signature fundraising events. And we've got 3 big events coming up in the Surrey and Delta communities, and one is on Saturday, May 25th. It's the Surrey Guildford Relay for Life event. That is our signature fundraising event, and we invite individuals to attend and to participate and register teams and fundraise for us. The second then is on June 1st in North Delta at North Delta Secondary, and then the third will be on June 8th in Surrey Cloverdale. Those events are fabulous ways for community members to get out and participate and give back.
And when you say fundraising is going to be done in these 3 events, so what is the purpose of this fundraising? Where does that money go?
The money goes back to the Canadian Cancer Society to fund life-saving programs and services, as well as cancer research. So all of the funds that we get from our signature fundraising events will go back to our Cancer Connection program, our lodges, our cancer information services line, our financial aid program, as well as our volunteer driver program, and then cancer research. The Canadian Cancer Society feels that prevention and cancer research is the key to eradicate cancer, but also to enhance the lives of people living with cancer.
How far has the Canadian Cancer Society been successful in what you said in research, and also spreading this message to the public that it is preventable? You can, if you initiate some steps, you will be successful.
Great question. The Canadian Cancer Society is a well-known, respectable, and credible organization, and we have made such great progress that in 1940, 2 of 10 individuals were surviving cancer 5 years or longer, and now it is 6 in 10 individuals surviving cancer 5 years or longer. So that is significant. And I think the other thing that the Canadian Cancer Society does so well is to advocate for policy change. So for example, we had advocated for the provincial government to ban the use of tanning beds for youth. And that now has come through, and that's a really positive move.
When we talk about the public, how can the public be more involved with societies like yours, whereby where your focus is on prevention and spreading awareness. So how much response are you getting from the public, and what can the public and especially the South Asians do to be a part of this organization?
We are always looking for volunteers to assist with us, and we have a variety of positions: administrative support, office work, as well as community outreach, working with youth, young adults, adults and seniors. And we provide training and support services for all of our volunteers.
Right.
And because we live in a diverse community, we are always looking for individuals with different skill sets
Right.
to provide us with that support and services. The other thing is that we need people to come out and attend and register and participate in our signature fundraising events in the communities of Surrey and Delta, our Relay
Right.
for Life.
And Relay for Life, if you can tell me in details about what is this program going to be, and is there going to be running in this? And again, as you said, people are most welcome to come and join. So where they can contact you?
Absolutely. It's a non-competitive event, and we do ask people to register and participate as a team.
Right.
Each individual is asked to raise at least $100. There is entertainment and food at all of the events. And really, it is a celebration. We celebrate and engage with individuals that have survived cancer. And then we also remember, we have a luminary service to remember those people that have lost their lives to cancer. And then we fight back, and that's in the morning, where we make this commitment to continue to engage and fight back and learn more about the Canadian Cancer Society and invest funds that will go back to prevention and cancer research. So the best way to reach us is just through relayforlife.ca.
Okay. And also towards the end, what you have mentioned about is asking the public to come and support in this noble cause. And as you've given the statistics, there's the researches and the work which is being done by Canadian Cancer Society is showing results, which is very important. So also, as you've given this website where people can call you, is there any phone number if anybody wants to volunteer or come forward and be a part of this organization?
Absolutely, yes. The telephone number that one could call is 604-533-1668.
Thanks, Anne, for your time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ 3 ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਰਿਲੇ ਫॉर ਲਾਈਫ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕਰਵਾਏ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜੋ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ 10 ਚੋਂ 2 ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਨ ਉਹ ਬਚਦੇ ਸਨ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ 10 ਚੋਂ 6 ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਨ ਉਹ ਬਚ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹ ਰਿਲੇ ਫॉर ਲਾਈਫ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਫੰਡ ਰੇਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਤੇ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਮਿਲ ਸਕੇ ਅਤੇ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਬਚ ਸਕੇ। ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ relayforlife.ca ਤੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਵੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।